Hey there, soprano ones. Ray Vaughan Williams, Serenade to Music. We have a piano intro that lands us pretty firmly in D major. We'll be taking it a little bit faster than noted at about 68 or so beats per measure. There is your first note, right at measure 33. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, and 4 and off, 2, 3, and 4. 2 and off, 4 and 1 and 2. 3 and 4 and 1, 2. 2, 3 and 4 and off. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 1. 4 and off. At that point, it moves into the soprano solo, followed by a tenor solo. Skip with me ahead to letter G. We're looking at the bottom of page 12, measure 79. We're in a different place harmonically. There is your first note, sopranos, measure 79. 1 and 2. 4 and 1. 4 and off. 2, and then there's another tenor solo. We are skipping once more to the top of 14 at letter H. There's your first note, 4 and 1. Off. Another soprano solo leads us into the bottom of page 15 at measure 107, back in D major. There's your first note, sopranos. This is measure 107. 3 and 4 and 1. 2, 3. Off. Another soprano solo. We are going to skip all the way ahead to the bottom of page 18. This is measure 158 in another place harmonically. There is your first note in measure 158. 1 and 2 and 3. Followed by another couple of solos. We get to skip a few pages all the way ahead to the bottom of page 22, back again in D major. This should sound a little bit like a repetition of the first bit of music that we have in this piece. Sopranos, there's your starting note, letter T, measure 201. 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. 2, 3, off. 1, 2, 3, and 4 and 1. 2, 3, 4. 4 and off. 2, 3, 4, 1, The solo goes 4 and 1.